Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make Zobo ice cream full guide. Start by steeping hibiscus petals in boiling water to extract flavor and deep color. Strain the liquid, sweeten with sugar or honey to taste, and add a splash of lemon for brightness. Chill the mixture thoroughly before churning, and quickly freeze in an ice cream maker or freeze and churn by hand for creamier texture. Measure ingredients precisely and have everything ready before starting to stay organized at the stove. Use 1 cup dried hibiscus petals, 4 cups water, 3/4 cup sugar, and 1 cup milk or coconut milk for creaminess. Simmer petals gently for about 10 minutes, then cool fully before combining with the dairy or alternative. Strain thoroughly to remove grit, taste, and adjust sweetness, and chill the base completely before churning for best texture. If you are finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content and recipes from the channel. Quick recommendation: books read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite for hands-free recipe browsing while you cook. Check the description for the link and other deals to snag a good price or accessory. Thanks for the support and for watching this quick break. Now let's get back to the video. Churn the chilled Zobo base according to your ice cream maker's instructions for smooth, consistent results without ice crystals. If you do not have a machine, pour the base into a shallow container and stir vigorously every 30 minutes while freezing to break ice crystals. Once firm, allow the ice cream to soften slightly at room temperature before scooping to achieve perfect scoopability and a velvety mouthfeel. Then garnish and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.